We are working on a project in our daughter's room today. We're going to transform this wall over here into a cork wall. She has a lot of art and fun stuff that she wants to hang on the wall, so we're just going to create a massive wall for her to do that. So we have a big blank space over here, and we are going to be using these 12 by 12 cork tiles. Found these on Amazon, so we have a whole bunch here. And then we're using these Command Velcro picture hangers. So this will be easy to remove if she doesn't want it someday. And we are going to do a fun frame around the outside of it using the paint from her room. So this pink paint color, we're going to do a scallop border with the paint on the cork. So we'll see how that goes. But first we're going to hang the cork up. Ready? Let's double check. I think we're supposed to be, let's see how many across.
Mom, I think we're gonna put, why is it going on the bottom?
Well, I'm just seeing how, I think it's 4 across. I'm just double checking.
Yeah, it's 4 across, I noticed.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Take all these off.
Okay, well, I'm gonna start
Jump.
them on then. So.
That one.
Alright.
Oh, you just take those off. I knew you just took these off.
Mm-hmm.
And does the Velcro like somehow make it be able to go in the wall?
Mm-hmm. Oh, here. So let's do those ones right here. Okay.
Oh, I thought you were gonna put them on the top too.
Yeah, we will. Next, I'll start by putting them on here.
Mm-hmm. What if you mess up?
Then you just take it off and try again.
Oh, you can take them off?
Yep.
Let me get another one.
Oh, this is sticky stuff. I didn't realize. Okay, we're just gonna leave that on there. Hopefully it sticks.
Wait, what?
Yeah, it's like I don't want to use that though.
We're not going to use that.
Yeah, so this stuff we just discovered. I didn't really know it. It's been a while since I ordered these, but this is like a sticker, so if you did want to attach it to your wall, kind of like a peel and stick, you could. I would be a little worried. Like, I'm always leery about that stuff actually damaging your walls. So
It's sticky.
It's sticky. So we're going to leave that on, and hopefully these command strips will still work. I think they will.
And it comes with these.
I'm just going to we're going to do a bunch of them and get them all ready, and then I'll go up on the ladder and hang them all up, okay? All right, you want to stick those on. Don't take the liners off, but just stick them on there. So they kind of line up. Does that work?
So like this.
So just stick them on the Velcro, just like that. Can you line them up and kind of push them into place? Remember how many we need.
4.
4 across, but I don't know how many. So let's start putting some on the wall.
We don't need to put under there.
Well, we do. Maybe Daddy can cut around.
Oh yeah, I was thinking like we could cut some of it.
Oh, just a teensy bit. Like a
So
quarter of an inch.
that part is kind of in the way, so
Okay.
we're going to see if Dad can cut some of it so I can fit it there, because Mom said you kind of need to put it right there.
Yeah.
So we'll see you back soon. Wait, I don't think we're going to do it right now. Well, soon. I don't know. I don't really know.
Okay.
I don't know when.
Alright, so these ones, I want it to be nice and flat, so I'm going to put one behind those two. What do you think?
Yeah, I was thinking like, I think we should put one like 4 on each one right here.
I don't think we need 4. I think just on some of them we'll connect them right there.
Yeah.
Alright, so now for the scallop part, we are just using, this is just a, I don't know, something the kids were using, but it's a perfect circle. So if you don't have a piece of paper that's a perfect circle, you can just trace a bowl or something on heavy duty cardstock or a paper plate and cut it out. But I already had this cut, so this is what we're going to use. So I folded it so that that's going to be our midpoint line, and I'm going to go around now and trace this pattern all around the outside, and then we'll come back and paint it. All right, so it's been a few days since we worked on this last, and we got all the cork tiles hung up. It's not perfect, but that's just because our walls are not perfectly straight, so I'm not too worried about it. She's probably going to cover the whole thing with pictures and art, so those gaps will probably be all covered anyway. But today we're going to work on these scallops. So you can see I've gone through and drawn with pencil all the scallop marks. And what we're going to do is we're going to paint with the same wall color, just by hand with a paintbrush. So I'm going to get started and try to finish it up. Alright, so we're all done with the cork wall. Turned out amazing. I love the cute little border. I'm so glad we decided to do that. It was pretty easy, only needed to do one coat. We just did it all by hand using this shortcut brush. That worked great. And so now it's time for little one here to decorate it with all her pretty artwork and fun things. And then we'll finish up the rest of her room too.